Alright, good evening YouTube. Tonight it's Ice Castle Burgers in the Cook Shack. It's currently record low temps, a negative 14 degrees. It's 14 below zero. You can see I'm fogging up quite a bit in here. The currently temperature is almost 50 degrees in here. I do have the 30,000 BTU cranked up to high, and also the 10,000 BTU cranked up to high. I also have a fan up there blowing the heat around. I'm going to make onion burgers. I have everything out here. Onions, of course my beef, pickles, cheese, mustard, seasoning, and waffle fries. I do have the Camp Chef preheating. I have the left side here between medium and low. This one here on medium. This one here almost on low, and of course this one off. Waffle fries, would they say 2 to 4 minutes? Well, here we are. Let's get started on these onion smash burgers, other known as Ice Castle burgers, on a day like today. I'm currently running here on the left side 520 degrees, 530, 500 degrees, 425, and the far right is 375. So I'm going to be cooking my burger patties on this side. Put down a little canola oil. Oh shoot, I forgot my spatula. Okay, I'm back with the spatula. The side of the meat that I'm putting down I do have seasoned, just with salt and pepper. The reason why I don't smash them right away is I want a little puddle of grease to form from the ground beef. Then with my onions being sliced as thin as they are, I'm not going to start those right away until I smash the burgers. Go ahead and hit this side with some salt. Pepper. A little Chicago steak seasoning. Here we are a few minutes later. I can see a nice pool of grease is formed. I'm going to go ahead and give them a smash. And as I do smash them, I give the iron just a little twist to help get the patty off there. Oh, looks like this one does not want to come off. I suppose my grill weight is probably half frozen. Put a little heat into it. I never had it stick like that before. Twist and slide. Much better. Preheat your grill weights if you're cooking in 14 below. Go ahead and put some butter down for the onions. Lots of onions. You can see these are nice small onions. They'll work out great for these onion smash burgers. Make sure you salt and pepper them. That'll help with grilling them up nice. Pull some of the moisture out. Of course, pepper. The idea is that one side is going to be smashed with a nice sear on it, then the other side will have a nice onion steam cooking. And dip the burgers with a little more seasoning. We're talking wind chills down to 40, 50, 60 below. Talking highs tomorrow at -19. 19 below zero. A nice color on the onions. The waffle fries I probably won't drop until right before I pull the burgers off to cool and rest. I think I'm going to put my buns down. Remember, this side's turned off. The buns are sitting over there freezing. Go like this way. I'm going to go ahead and kind of get these onions in portions now, I guess. Get ready to move my burgers on top of them and give them a nice smash. Get that big onion out of there. Let's go ahead and give these burgers a flip. Oh, look at that nice sear. And this guy a nice flip. Another nice sear. And one more. And what else I'm doing? 2 slices of cheese per burger. The oil has come back up to temp. You can see the buns are coming along nice. Right now the burgers are getting a nice onion steam. We'll go ahead and drop the waffle fries. There's one portion. 2, 3. Go ahead and, well, you better wait a little bit. Let those onions cook. Burgers get nice and steamed. Remember, you want to let these burgers rest also. Let's go ahead and drop the fries. Give the fries a nice little shake. Might have just a little overloaded. Turn these 3 burners down to low now. Let's see if I can get a little peek at those onions. Oh, definitely nice. I'm going to plate these guys up. I'm not going to put them on the buns right away. I'm going to leave the buns here though. It's just too cold out here. But I do want to get the burgers off the heat. Alright, I think the waffle fries are about done. I'm just going to set this right on there. I'll show you these onions. There you go. Here we are. We're going to top them with pickles. Waffle fries are done. If I had to pick between ketchup or mustard, I would pick mustard. This one I got upside down, but it gives you an idea what the onions look like. Of course, nice looking waffle fries. Make sure you want to season those up right away. A little bit of Lowry's. And of course, black pepper. Should have seasoned them right up in the basket. Well, there we go. Those are my version of Ice Castle burgers out here in the cook shack. Make 14 degrees outside, record lows. I'm going to go ahead and bite right into one of these guys. Wow, that's good. Probably a medium well. Delicious. 2 slices of cheese. I'm going to have half this gone before I even go in the house. If you want to know more about Camp Chef, just go ahead and click on the link in the description. And please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos out here in the cook shack. And as always, thanks for watching. Go ahead and give one of these waffle fries a taste. Did you hear that big clunk? I think that was some ice or snow that melted on the roof. Onion smash burgers. Very good.